The Lenovo Yoga 920 is an improvement over the very capable Yoga 910. Lenovo has done everything by the book here, offering a stellar performance, a good display, reliable battery life and the best-in-class design. Most laptops have the same guts, perform the same, feel the same and sadly look the same. In contrast, Apple MacBooks have their own charm, but in the realm of Windows laptops, it is only the top-of-the-line laptops or gaming laptops, which have that distinct character. Take the HP Spectre, for example. It is not perfect, but it has a certain charm to it. Dell's XPS 13 is a similar beast. In the same fashion, Lenovo 900 series Yoga laptops are also different, they always have been, but with this iteration, it is getting close to being perfect. Lenovo is doing things by the book here. It has mixed a lot of good ideas from its ThinkPad line, bettered upon what the Yoga 720 is capable of and wrapped everything in one of the best-looking ultra-portable designs. In some ways, the whole experience of using the Lenovo Yoga 900 was clinical, yet, for the lack of a better word, enjoyable. Let me walk you through it. It always starts with the looks, and here Lenovo does what it does best. The Lenovo Yoga 920 is quite simply the best looking thin and light convertible laptop available today. Yes, the HP Spectre X360 does give this one a tough competition, but the fact is that the Spectre's copper and matte black look is more of an acquired taste instead of the more aesthetically pleasing look of the Yoga 920. One peculiar aspect of the laptop is the glass lid cover, which gives the laptop a unique look. Not only is it the prime design element here, but the glass also integrates well with the all-aluminum chassis and the signature watch band hinge. While the aluminium chassis is at par with other flagship portable notebooks, allowing zero flex whatsoever, it is the improved hinge which catches our attention. It is quite stiff and can stay in place without drooping at most angles. In fact, as far as convertibles go, this is the best hinge we have come across ever. One thing which seems a bit overdone are the laptop's edges, which are slightly sharper than we would have expected. The edges don't cut into your wrists, but when you turn it around to use as a tablet, you can't hold it from the edge for a prolonged time. It may not be a big issue with some, but we think it is worth mentioning. Opening the back, one would find everything soldered on the motherboard, or at least it appears so, as everything is buried below the massive 70-watt battery, which would require further disassembly. That said, the machine comes with plenty storage and RAM, and you don't need to void your warranty and open the back cover. The exquisite-looking hinge holds a 14-inch touchscreen display in place, offering a 3408